There's a new RUV in town. At Thor Motor Coach, we call it the Vegas 25.6, and it is today's featured floor plan. So look around and imagine yourself here. Ah, the possibilities. Take the versatile booth dinette. Use it for lounging, mealtime, bedtime, and yep, it even has seatbelts for the trip. When you are not powering down the road with your Triton V10, enjoying the touchscreen radio with Bluetooth connectivity and backup monitor, or logging your adventures with the passenger side flip-down workstation, the reclining captain's chair swivel. Put the stowaway coffee table in place. How's that for comfortable accommodations? Tired? Climb up and spend the night in the power overhead bunk. The 25.6 covers all your entertainment options with this adjustable TV in the living area with Blu-ray player, perfect for those up front, and we will show you more when we head to the back. The kitchen brings along your favorite features of home with a 2-burner high-output gas range with glass cover, large round stainless steel sink with flip-up counter extension, convection microwave, and your double-door fridge. When you are getting away for a weekend, a week, or a month, the last thing you want is to not have enough storage to bring along everything you want. One look inside the Vegas 25.6 and you can see storage reigns supreme. Behind the Euro-style cabinets, the kitchen pantry, and the large wardrobe in the bedroom. There's also storage under the stainless steel sink in the bathroom, along with your shower with skylight. The bedroom ensures everyone gets a great night's sleep. The queen bed features a flippable mattress with a firm side and a soft side. There's also a television, and you will find your Bluetooth coach radio system tied into the exterior speakers along with the covered TV on a swivel. Don't let the weather stop your outdoor fun. Stay dry under the legless power patio with LED lights. The lit exterior storage compartments impress with their capacity to swallow up your items. Where others may skim, the Vegas 25.6 comes standard with a gas generator, electric stabilizing, an exterior propane connection, outdoor shower, and it is pre-wired for solar charging. This is the all-new Vegas 25.6 RUV from Thor Motor Coach. You're imagining the possibilities of where you could take this, aren't you? Well, then get started and build yours at thormotorcoach.com.
If you would like to see sales prices from the only full-line and fully authorized Thor Motor Coach dealership in the world, visit Motorhome Specialist at mhsrv.com or call 800-335-6054. Motorhome Specialist is the #1 volume-selling motorhome dealership in the world. Over 200 acres and $165 million in inventory to choose from, all at one central location, making it easy to fly in from anywhere in the country and then drive your new dream motor coach home. All sale priced at a minimum of 25% off the manufacturer's suggested retail price every day. You will also enjoy the premier delivery process that can only be found at MHSRV. From the extensive pre-check and make-ready process to the only dealership performed and fully automated rain booth test in the industry, you'll see a world of difference at Motorhome Specialist. These additional detail and inspection processes are just a few of the countless steps taken here at Motorhome Specialist to help ensure that you not only receive a better selection and price, but also the unparalleled quality and service that you deserve to go along with it. So get busy living in an all-new Thor Motor Coach from Motorhome Specialist today. Why pay more? Why settle for less?